with another topic for to learn more about the C programming, and today's topic is about to know about functions in C. Let's directly jump into the problem statement we will be solving in this live coding session. So the problem statement goes here like, write a function to find max of 4 numbers entered by the user. So let's go into writing the code, and then in one after another let's try to understand what are functions, how they are defined, how they are declared, and how they are called from the program. So let's given as the problem statement says, you need to write a function to find the max of 4 numbers. So let's and which you will and the function will obviously return a max number, so that it will be somehow printed in the execution, which we will learn over this period of the video. So let's define a method which will return an int, because we need to return a max number, and let's name the function as max of 4. Max of 4. So and this will be the function. So now because we need to get understand, basically find max between 4 numbers, we will accept 4 integers from the function parameters, and I am naming it as A, B, C, D, all of types integer. Because we need to find a maximum number, I will define a max number here, which will contain maximum number of between these 4 different integers, and let me initialize it to -1, 2, so that compilers know, so this is the minimum possible number as from the perspective of this program. So let's start writing the core part, and before writing it, let's add a final touch to this method, which is return. So we will return a max number here, because that is what our intention is. So what does this represents? The max of the method return type should be the similar as the return we are as what we are returning from the method. So max number variable is of type integer, and max of 4 expects the return type should be of type integer. So these both are matching, and it will perfectly work here. So adding a semicolon here. So let's write the core part here. So because we need to find the max number, we will always compare all the integer with the max number, assuming max number variable is the maximum of all. If the variable is A is greater than, then we will update the max number with A. We will do the similar thing with all the other variables. So I'm just copy pasting right now here, so that we will easily jump to the major part of this. So we will just update here the variable names B, C, D, right? So this will give you, so what we have done, we have checked all the variables one after another, and we have compared with the maximum number. If the maximum number is less than the variable received or the integer received, we will update the maximum number with that variable. And this is how we have completed our implementation of max of 4 method. So now the time arises where we need to call this method, so that we get the maximum number. So further we will define the maximum number as integer, which will store the maximum number returned by the method. So max of 4, and we will return we will send 4 variables to this method, which we have received from the user in above line using scanf method. This is how we do it, A, B, C, D, and we have stored it in A, B, C, D, and we have passed the same A, B, C, D variables to max of 4 number. Now what we need to do, we need to print it, so that it satisfy the required functionality of this program. So given we need to print an integer, we will write printf with %d specifier, and then write a max. So basically we have write this here, and then we will write a max number here. So this is how the function will be written. So this line is called like we are writing a function to call a function. Basically this line is called, this complete block is called defining a function, how function will behave and what function will do. And this line is called call of the line where my method will be called, a function will be called. Right, so this is the printf statement, and now we will run the code so that you understand the So basically, yeah, the input was 3465, the output became as 6, which is the expected output. And this is how we were able to achieve the problem statement. We were achieved the solution for the problem statement, which was to find the max of 4 numbers entered by the user using a function. So I hope you have understood the basics about how the function is defined, declared, and called from the point of execution, so that it gives the expected output. Please go to the caption written in the video below so that you understand more about the function, and please ping me or add a comment in the video here, so that if you have any questions about the functions in the C. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I hope you have understood some basic part about the functions in C.